Praise the Lord. I told you that my son name is Albert John Khare. He used to study in St. Xavier School. He was maybe in class 5 that time. And we, means me and my son. This is my son. This is my son when he was 13 years old. Albert John Khare, wearing St. Xavier's school uniform. When he was 13 years old, that time picture this is. This is my husband, Albert's father. Patrick Khare, and this is me. Patrick has had a security business, and we were very happy. He was earning a good money. I used to bring up my son like a prince. My son was like a prince. And in every respect, he was dynamic, smart, he was brave, he was sportive, he was so intelligent. And when he was small, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years older than him, the boys used to follow him. He was a very good leader. From that time, he was a leader of his group. All the area people, everyone is to love Albert. So we were very happy. You can see how happy we were. This picture is 1992, almost, maybe 1992 or 91. Exactly, I cannot remember. But after 91, definitely. It is 91, I think. Anyway, how happy we were. This is the photo we took it in Nainital. We went there. How handsome Patrick was. How happy we were. Suddenly, unfortunately, due to some reason, Patrick became a nervous breakdown patient. There was some reason. He had some problem, and that problem he couldn't take it. So he became a nervous breakdown patient. He himself stopped going outside. He never used to go out. He never used to talk to anyone. Normally he used to talk very less. Very less he used to talk. I used to talk too much, but he used to talk very less. And when he became this patient, he stopped talking totally. Yes, no, very good, Few words he used to say. All the time he was quiet. Few words he used to say, Priya, Priya, don't leave me, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere, don't leave me and go. Priya, I won't live long. Priya, I will live for 2 years only. After 2 years I will die. He won't go out. He was always very much upset. I didn't know why. I knew that he had some problem. But why he used to tell that I won't live long? That I didn't understand. Anyway, but I didn't take it so seriously. I thought, oh, he has got some problems, that's why he's talking rubbish. I didn't take it seriously. But he was behaving like a child. And what I started, I had to look after him. I had to take him as a child. Like a mother, I used to look after him. Na, babu. Hey, do this, do that. Like this I used to behave with him, to save him, to bring him in a normal life. He couldn't sleep properly. He was so restless. Then he was talking all rubbish. I won't lie, I won't leave, I will die. Then I thought, I took him to doctor. Doctor gave him medicine, he slept. Then after a few months, he became okay. Then after again 1 month, he became again like that. When I was taking care of him, when I was looking after him, that time, because he was not going to look after his business got totally spoiled. And we didn't have any money. What we will eat, we didn't know. And I myself was educated, but he didn't allow me to go outside and do some work. When he cannot work, he is not well, I can go and I can do some work and I could bring the money. But he didn't allow me also. No, don't go, Priya, I will die. Don't go out. He used to behave like that. So I treated him like my child. I used to take care of him. Automatically, I neglected my only son. And as because we didn't have any money, and what I started to sell my utensils, hadiya, bartan, all these things. I started selling and feeding my family, my son and my husband Patrick. And then like this, when we were very hard time we are facing that time, it started by 1992, July, he became sick. And July, August, almost 1 year passed. This way we are running, struggling with the life. 1 year passed. At the age of 11, my son, this is my son's photo, Albert John Khare, when he was 13 years old. This is his school uniform, he is with his school uniform. But when he was 11 years old, then we didn't have any money. So I sold some newspaper and I had only 165 rupees with me, maybe 2-3 rupees this side, that side, maybe 163, 162, whatever. 165 I had with me. And that was also, I sold my paper and that money all sold my some utensils, So I had that 165 with me. So I thought with this 165 we will manage few days. In the meantime, when I had money, my son started going to, before he used to go by taxi naturally when we had a good time. But when we didn't have any money, so he started going to school by cycle. And as because I am staying in Linton Street, Calcutta, it's close to St. Xavier's School. So he used to go by cycle. And when I had money, 165, then I said, I got money, so you take money, go to school, and don't go by cycle. 1993, 2nd August.